read.
हाय स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग। आज हम अपना लेक्चर नंबर 5 एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1.5 स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। इस एक्सरसाइज को स्टार्ट करने से पहले हम इसकी कुछ की टर्म्स देखेंगे और उनको डिस्कस करेंगे। सबसे पहले हम डिस्कस करेंगे डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ अ 2x2 मैट्रिक्स। हम डिटर्मिनेंट कैसे फाइंड करेंगे। नंबर 2 पे हम डिस्कस करेंगे सिंगुलर एंड नॉन सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स। नंबर 3 पे हम डिस्कस करेंगे एडजॉइंट ऑफ अ गिवन मैट्रिक्स। किसी भी दिए गए मैट्रिक्स हम एडजॉइंट कैसे फाइंड करेंगे। नंबर 4 पे हम डिस्कस करेंगे मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ अ गिवन मैट्रिक्स। हम किसी भी दिए गए मैट्रिक्स का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स कैसे फाइंड कर सकते हैं। सबसे पहले हम डिटर्मिनेंट फाइंड करेंगे 2x2 मैट्रिक्स का। लेट्स सी। A is equal to A, B, C, D. Is a 2x2 matrix. The determinant of A denoted by A determinant। A determinant को शो करने के लिए सिंबल हम इस्तेमाल करेंगे। A determinant A, B, C, AD and BC। Okay, AD minus BC is a scalar or number belong to the set of real number। किसी भी मैट्रिक्स का जो डिटर्मिनेंट होगा वो एक नंबर होगा या स्केलर होगा, और अगर तो ये रियल एंट्रीज हैं तो ये रियल नंबर से उसकी वैल्यू बिलोंग करेगी। बेशक वो नंबर भी हो सकती है, डिजिट भी हो सकती है। किसी भी मैट्रिक्स का डिटर्मिनेंट एक रियल नंबर होगा अगर तो उसकी एंट्रीज रियल हैं तो। ठीक है, ओके। वी कैन फाइंड AD minus BC is equal to the real number। We see the next concept। Let's see what is a singular matrix। A square matrix।
नहीं सर जी एक सेकंड तो सर जी बोले नहीं।
अब हम देखेंगे सिंगुलर और नॉन सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स क्या होते हैं। ये स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स A is singular if the value of its determinant is equal to 0। Okay, let's I have a set D। I have a matrix D। Okay, 3 4 0 0। So I want to find the matrix, the determinant of B। B here 3 4 0 0। What is the AD minus BC? 3 times 0 minus 4 times 0। This will become 0 minus 0 is equal to 0। Okay. Now the value of determinant is 0. Now we say that B is a singular matrix। Okay. Now let's see non-singular matrix. A square matrix A is non-singular. If the value of its determinant is not equal to 0. Okay, let's see. I have a set that we have a matrix C 1 2 3 4. So we want to find the determinant of C matrix. C matrix. Okay. 1 2 3 0 is equal to AD 1 times 0 minus BC 2 times 3 okay is equal to 0 minus 6 is equal to minus 6, which is not equal to 0. Okay, so we can say that C is a non-singular matrix because the value of its determinant is not equal to 0. Okay, let's see what is the adjoint of a matrix. Adjoint of a square matrix. A is obtained by interchanging the diagonal entries and sign plus minus other entries. Let, for example, I have a matrix A, B, C, and D. Now I want to find the adjoint of a matrix. Okay, first I write here on the left hand side adjoint. I write here is obtained by interchanging the diagonal entries. Okay, diagonal entries की मैं प्लेस को चेंज कर दूंगा D and A और साइन चेंज करूंगा जी अदर एंट्री और B और C का मैं साइन चेंज कर दूंगा जी. दिस इज द डायगोनल ऑफ 2 by 2 मैट्रिक्स. Changing the place of diagonal entries and sign of the other entries. Okay, when I have right here on the left hand side adjoint, then sign and place will be changed on the left hand side, sorry right hand side. अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे जी मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ अ नॉन सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स. लेट A be a square matrix. Its multiplicative inverse denoted by A inverse and is given by A times multiplicative inverse is equal to identity matrix. Multiplicative inverse multiplied by the original matrix is equal to the identity matrix. अगर किसी भी मैट्रिक्स को ओरिजिनल मैट्रिक्स को उसके मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो उसका जो रिजल्टेंट मैट्रिक्स आएगा वो आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स होगा, या किसी भी मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स को उसके ओरिजिनल मैट्रिक्स से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो उसका रिजल्टेंट मैट्रिक्स जो आएगा वो आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स होगा. स्टूडेंट्स, अब हम एक्सरसाइज 5 को स्टार्ट करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फाइंड द डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मैट्रिसेस। ये पहले एक ए मैट्रिसेस दिया गया है, हम इसका डिटरमिनेंट फाइंड करेंगे। ओके, सो ए डिटरमिनेंट इज इक्वल टू -1, 1, 2 and 0. A and D. -1 times 0 minus B or C. 1 times 2. -1 times 0 is equal to 0. 1 times 2 is equal to 2 and -2. Okay, -2. The determinant of A matrix is -2. Now we will solve next question, which is B. What is the value of B? 1, 3, 2, 2. 2 and -2. Actually, no. The determinant of B will be 1, 3, 2, -2 is equal to 1 times -2, 1 times -2 minus 3 times 2, 3 times 2, and it will become -2 and -6. Actually it is -8. The value of determinant of B is -8. Okay. देखिए, चलो कोई लिखा है।
चलो कोई नहीं, शुरू होगी वीडियो।
C. The part number 3 is a given matrix C, 3, 2, 3, 2. Okay. We want to find the determinant of C. C determinant 3, 2, 3, 2. 3 times 2, 3 times 2 minus 2 times 3 is equal to 6 and -6, which is equal to 0. The value of determinant of C is 0. And what is the 4? 4 matrix is D matrix. 3, 2 and 1, 4. We want to find the determinant of D. Okay. 3, 2, 1, 4. 3 times 4 minus 2 times 1. Okay. 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. The value of determinant of B is 10. Okay. Let's solve part number 2. Find which of the following matrices are singular or non-singular. और हम A मैट्रिक्स का डिटरमिनेंट फाइंड करेंगे। अगर तो इसका डिटरमिनेंट की वैल्यू 0 निकल आएगी तो हम कहेंगे ये सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स है। अगर इसका डिटरमिनेंट की वैल्यू 0 ना निकलेगी तो हम कहेंगे ये नॉन सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स है। लेट्स सी। A डिटरमिनेंट 3, 6, 2, 4. Okay. 3 times 4 minus 2 times 6 is equal to 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay. So A is a singular matrix. ऐसा मैट्रिक्स जिसके डिटरमिनेंट की वैल्यू 0 हो उसे सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स कहते हैं, जिसके डिटरमिनेंट की वैल्यू 0 ना हो उसे नॉन सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स कहते हैं। नाउ लेट्स सी B is singular or non singular. We want to find the determinant of B. 4, 0, 3, 2. 4 times 2, 1 times 3. 4 times 2 minus 1 time 3. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So A is a non-singular matrix because the value of determinant is not 0. Okay. B is a non-singular matrix. Now we first find the determinant of C. C determinant 7 minus 9, 5, 3 and 5. 7 times 5 minus 9 times 3. That's 7 times 5 minus 9 times 3. Okay. 7 times 5, 35. And minus times plus 27. 2 and 62. Because the value of determinant of C is 62, so it is a non-singular matrix. C is a non-singular okay. Left. See part number 4. Here given a D matrix. First we find the determinant of D and whether we see it is singular or not. Okay. D determinant 5 minus 10 minus 2 and 4. 5 times 4 minus 10 times minus 2 equal to 20 minus plus and minus 20 is equal to 0. Okay. Because the value of determinant of D is 0, D is a singular matrix. स्टूडेंट्स, अब हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 दिए गए मैट्रिक्स का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स मालूम करेंगे. हम मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स सिर्फ और सिर्फ नॉन सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स का मालूम कर सकते हैं. ओके. मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स के लिए फार्मूला इस्तेमाल करेंगे एडजॉइंट ए ओवर ए डिटरमिनेंट. अगर यहाँ पे बी मैट्रिक्स होगा तो एडजॉइंट बी और बी डिटरमिनेंट. ओके. ये हम फार्मूला इस्तेमाल करेंगे मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स फाइंड करने के लिए. इस यहाँ पर मुझे 2 वैल्यूज चाहिए. एक तो मेरे पास डिटरमिनेंट की वैल्यू होगी और दूसरा मैं एडजॉइंट फाइंड करूंगा. अगर मेरे पास ये दोनों वैल्यू निकल आएंगे तो फिर मैं ए इनवर्स फाइंड कर सकता हूँ. ओके. सबसे पहले क्योंकि मैंने कहा था कि हम नॉन सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स फाइंड कर सकते हैं, तो सबसे पहले मैं डिटरमिनेंट फाइंड करूंगा. देखेंगे ये सिंगुलर है या नॉन सिंगुलर है. सॉल्व डिटरमिनेंट -1 3 2 0 is equal to -1 times 0 minus 3 times 2. This will become 0 -6 which is not equal to 0. Okay, it is a non-singular matrix. अब हम एडजॉइंट फाइंड करेंगे. तो जैसा कि हमने पहले एडजॉइंट की डेफिनेशन दी हुई है, हम जो डायगोनल एंट्रीज हैं इनकी प्लेस चेंज करते हैं और जो अदर्स एंट्री हैं उनकी हम साइन चेंज करेंगे. 0 एंड -1 डायगोनल एंट्री की प्लेस चेंज हो चुकी है और अदर एंट्रीज क्योंकि ये दोनों प्लस की है माइनस की हो जाएगी. -2. ये हमने अभी एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए फाइंड कर दिया. लेट्स सी. ओके. अब हम लिखेंगे जी नाउ मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स या ए इनवर्स का फार्मूला था जी मेरे पास एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए ओवर ए डिटरमिनेंट. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए? दिस इज एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए. ओके. 0 -3 -2 एंड -1 डिवाइडेड बाय, इसको मैं इस तरह लिखूंगा sorry 1 by what is the value of determinant and this is -6. Okay. Multiplied by 1 by -6 to all the entries. 0 by minus 6, minus 3 by minus 6, minus 2 by minus 6, and minus 1 by minus 6. Okay, this will become 0. माइनस माइनस से कैंसिल हो जाएगा 1 by 2, 1 by 3, माइनस माइनस से कैंसिल, और 1 by 6. ओके, 1 by 6. दिस इज द मल्टीप्लीकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ ए. अगर मैं दोनों मैट्रिसेस को मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा और इनका अगर आंसर मेरे पास आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स निकला है तो ये कंफर्म हो जाएगा कि जो उसका मल्टीप्लीकेटिव इनवर्स है. ओके, let's find the multiplicative inverse of B. First we find it singular or non-singular. What is the determinant of B? 1, 2, minus 3 and minus 5. Okay, let's see. 1 times minus 5 minus 2 times minus 3 is equal to minus 5 or plus 6 is equal to 1, which is not equal to B. Okay, it is a non-singular method. Adjoint B. Adjoint is also a matrix. Okay, इनकी मैं करूंगा जी प्लेस चेंज और इनका करूंगा जी साइन. डायगोनैलिटी की करूंगा जी प्लेस चेंज, -5 1, और नॉन डायगोनैलिटी का करूंगा जी साइन चेंज. ओके, ये माइनस का प्लस का था माइनस का हो गया, ये माइनस का था प्लस का हो गया. This is the adjoint B. Okay. Now B inverse. Adjoint B over B determinant. Okay. Now we find B inverse. Adjoint B. What is the value of adjoint B? -5, -2, 3 and 1. Is divided by 1. Okay, let's see. -5 by 1, -2 by 1, 3 by 1, and 1 by 1. -5, -2, 3 and 1. This is the value of B inverse, and this is the value of B. The value of B inverse is -5, -2, 3 and 1. Now we want to find the multiplicative inverse of C matrix. Now we see the multiplicative inverse of C matrix. First we see it is singular or non-singular. What is it? Determinant of C. -2, 6, 3 and -9 is equal to -2 times -9 minus 6 times 3. Okay, minus times plus 80 minus 80. Okay, 0. Because C is a singular matrix, its multiplicative inverse is not possible. So C inverse is not possible. Let's find the multiplicative inverse of B matrix. First we find determinant of B. One by 2, 3 by 4, 1 and 2. AD 1 by 2 multiplied by 2 minus 3 by 4 and 1. This will become 1 minus 3 by 4. First we take LCM of 1 minus 3 by 4. LCM will be 4. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. The value of determinant of D is 1 by 4. Now we find the adjoint of D. Adjoint D. Adjoint is also a matrix. Change the place of diagonal entries. Okay. And sign of the non-diagonal entries. 3 by 4, and minus 1. Okay. Now we want to find the D inverse. Adjoint D over D intermediate. Okay. What is the value of D adjoint? This. Two minus 3 is 3 by 4, 1 by 2 and minus 1, and divided by 1 by 4. Okay, let's see. 4 times 2 minus 3 by 4 minus 1 and minus 1 by 2. Okay, it will be like this. 1 divided by 1 by 4. Okay, it will become 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4. 4 times 2, 4 times minus 3 by 4, 4 times minus 1, and 4 times 1 by 2. 8. So this cancel minus 3, minus 4, and this one is going 2. It will become 2. This is the value of D inverse. This is D, and this is the value of D inverse. Find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A. Yes. Diagonal एंट्रीज की मैं प्लेस चेंज करूंगा 6 and 1, और नॉन डायगोनल एंट्रीज की और अदर एंट्रीज की मैं साइन चेंज करूंगा. This is adjoint A. Now we find A times adjoint A. A times adjoint A. What is the value of A? A is here 1, 2, 4, 6. And what is adjoint A? Adjoint A 6 minus 2 minus 4 1. Okay. A times adjoint A, row by column. 1 times 6, 2 times minus 4. 1 times 6 plus 2 times minus 4. Okay. First row, first column, first row, second column. 1 times minus 2, 2 times 1. 1 times minus 2 and 2 plus 2 times 1. Okay. Now second row and first column and right here. Second row and second column right here. Okay. 4 times 6 added by 6 times 4. Okay. 4 times minus 2 plus and 6 times 1. Okay. 6 times 1. What will be the result of it? 6 1 times 6. 2 times minus 4 minus 8. Okay. 1 times minus 2 plus 2. Okay. 4 times 6 24. 6 times minus 1 minus 24. 4 times minus 2 minus 8 and plus 6. This will be minus 2, 0, 0 and minus 2. Okay. This is the result of A times adjoint A. Minus 2, 0, 0, minus 2. This is the resultant matrix of A times adjoint A. Now we see adjoint A times A. This is adjoint A, this is A. Adjoint A times A. What is the value of adjoint A? This is adjoint A. 6 minus 2 minus 4 times A. This is the A. 1 2 4 6. Okay, now we multiply both the matrices. 6 times 1 minus 2 times 4. Okay, 6 times 1 plus minus 2 times 4. Yes, first row, second column. 6 times 2 plus minus 2 times 6. Okay, second row, first column. Minus 4 times 1 plus 1 times 4. Second row and second column. Minus 2. Okay, sorry, minus 4 times 2 plus 1 times 6. Okay, let's see. 6 minus 8. Okay, 12 minus 12. Minus 4 plus 4. Plus 4. Minus 8. Minus 8 and plus 6. Okay, what is the value of A, adjoint A? Adjoint A and A, which was minus 2, 0, 0 and minus 2. Okay, now this is minus 2, 0, 0 and minus 2. No, this is the value of adjoint A times A, and this is the value of adjoint A times A. Both are same. We write we say that A times adjoint A is equal to adjoint A times A. Okay, both values are equal. Adjoint A times A. Minus 2, 0, 0 and minus 2. Okay, this is A. 1 2 4 6, and we want to find the determinant of it. First we want to find the determinant of A. 6 2 1 4. AD 1 times 6 and minus BC 2 times 4 will become 6 minus 8 is equal to minus 2. This minus 2 is the value of determinant of A. Okay, now determinant of A times identity matrix 2 by 2. Determinant of A times I means identity matrix of 2 by 2. What is the value of determinant of A is minus 2 and identity matrix 1 0 0 1. This is the identity matrix of 2 by 2. Let's multiply. Minus 2 times minus 1 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 times 0 is equal to 0. Minus 2 times 0 is equal to 0. Minus 2 times 1 is equal to minus 2. This is the value of determinant of A. Determinant of A times identity matrix minus 2 0 0 and minus 2. ओके, ये तीनों वैल्यू ही इक्वल है, जैसा कि मैंने साइड पे भी लिख दिया. ओके, 10 A टाइम adjoint A is equal to adjoint A times A is equal to determinant of A times identity matrix of 2 by 2 are equal. B times B inverse is equal to identity matrix is equal to B inverse times B. ओके, अगर किसी भी मैट्रिक्स को उसके मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो उसका आंसर आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स होगा. ओके, लेट्स सी. B is given but B inverse have to find. First of all, I check this matrix is whether non-singular or non-singular. Yes. First of all, I find determinant of B. 3 times minus 2 minus minus 1 times 2 is equal to minus 6 plus 2 is equal to minus 4. Okay, this is not equal to 0. It is a non-singular matrix.
जी सर.
Now we find the adjoint of B. Adjoint. Adjoint कैसे फाइंड करते हैं? डायगोनल एंट्रीज की प्लेस चेंज करेंगे और अदर एंट्री का साइन चेंज करेंगे. -2 और 3 डायगोनल एंट्री की प्लेस चेंज हो गई और नॉन डायगोनल एंट्रीज का साइन चेंज हो गया. ओके, now we want now we find the multiplicative inverse of B. What is this? B inverse. Adjoint B over B determinant. Okay, what is the adjoint B? This is adjoint B. -2, 1, -2 and 3 times 1 by -4. Okay, 1 by -4. The resultant of B will be -2 times -4, 1 times -4, -2 times -4, 3 times -4. It will be minus or minus cancel. 2, 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 4. Okay. Minus minus cancel, 1 by 2 and 3 by 4 minus. This is the value of B inverse. Now we have to find B times B inverse. What is the value of B? B is here. Okay. 3 minus 1, 2 minus 2. And what is the value of B inverse? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 4. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 4. B times B inverse will be equal to identity matrix of 2 by 2, 1 0 0 1. Let's see. Row by column. 3 times 1 by 2 plus minus 1 times 1 by 2. 3 times 1 by 2 minus 1 times 1 by 2. 3 times minus 1 by 4 plus minus 1 times minus 3 by 4. 2 times 1 by 2 minus 2 times minus 1 by 2. 2 times 1 by 2 plus minus 2 times 1 by 2. Okay. 2 times 1 by 4, 2 times minus 1 by 4, added by minus 2 times minus 3 by 4. Okay. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 3 ones times 3, 3 by 2 minus plus minus 1 times 1, 1, 2 times 1, 1. Okay. Minus 3 by 4 minus minus times plus and 3 by 4. Okay. This cancel. 1 minus 1. 1 minus plus minus minus is equal multiplied by 1 is equal to minus 1 and this is a plus 1. This is minus 1 by 2. This is also cut. Minus minus times plus 3 by 2. 2 times a cut. When we divide, it becomes 2. Let's see. Take the LCM here. 2, 3 minus 1. Both are cancelled. 0. Both are cancelled. Take the LCM of it from here. Minus 1 plus 3. Okay. 3 minus 1, 2 by 2. 0. 0. Minus 1 plus 3, 2. 2 by 2. Okay. this will be 1 0 0 1, which is I 2 by 2. Now we want to find B inverse times B. And what is the B inverse? This is B inverse. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 4. Multiplied by B, this is B. 3 minus 1, 2 and minus 2. And the result will be identity matrix. Okay. After multiplication. 1 by 2 multiplied by 3, 1 by 2 multiplied by minus 1 by 4 multiplied by minus 1 by 4 multiplied by 2. First row, first column, first row, second column. 1 by 2 multiplied by minus 1 plus minus 1 by 4 multiplied by minus 2. Okay. Second row, first column. 1 by 2 multiplied by 3 plus minus 3 by 4 multiplied by 2. Okay. 1 by 2, second row and second column. 1 by 2 multiplied by minus 1 plus minus 3 by 4 multiplied by minus 2. Okay. Minus 2. 3 by 2. This is cancelled, minus 1 by 2. 2 times 2 cancel, minus plus minus 1 minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Minus cancel 2. Minus minus times plus and plus plus times plus 1 by 2. Okay. 3 by 2. This cancel 2. 3 by 2 plus minus 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 3 by 2. Okay. Minus 1 by 2 and plus this cancel 2, 3 by 2. Now taking the LCM of these or this will be cancelled. Plus minus cancel, minus plus cancel, and taking the LCM will be 2. 3 minus 1. This will become 0. This will become 0. And taking the LCM also. Minus 1 times 3. Okay. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 over 2, 0. 0. Minus 1 plus 2 by 2. Oh, sorry. 2 by 2. Okay. 1, 1. Sorry, 1, 0. 0, 1 is equal to I. Okay. Thus we say that B times B inverse is equal to I, or B inverse times B is equal to. So now we will move toward the question number 5. Determine whether the given matrices are multiplicative inverse of each other. यहाँ पर दो मैट्रिसेस दिए गए हैं, जब मैं इनको मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा अगर तो इनका आंसर जो है वो आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स निकलेगा तो जो एक दूसरे के मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स होंगे, देन दीज मैट्रिसेस विल बी मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ ईच अदर. अगर इनका जवाब आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स नहीं निकलता तो ये एक दूसरे का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स नहीं होंगे. लेट्स सी. 3 times 7 plus 5 times minus 4. 3 times minus 5 plus 5 times 3. Okay. First row, first column, first row, second column. Second row, first column. 4 times 7 plus 7 times minus 4. Okay. Second row and second column. 4 times minus 5 plus 7 times 3. (21) minus 20 minus 15 and plus 15. 28 minus 28 minus 20 and plus 21. What is the result? 1 0 0 1. Thus, given matrices are multiplicating inverse of each other. Okay, because the resultant matrix of after multiplication of these both matrices is identity matrix. Now here we will part number 2. The value of part number 2 is 1 2 2 3 multiplied by minus 3 minus 3 2 2 and minus 1. Okay. Okay, row by column. 1 times minus 3 plus 2 times 2. 2 times 2. Okay, row, first row, second column. 1 times 2 plus 2 times minus 1. Okay, 2 times minus 3 plus 3 times 2. 2 times 2 plus 3 times minus 1. Okay. First row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, second row and second column. Okay. Minus 3 plus 4, 2 minus 2, minus 6 plus 6, and 4 minus 3. Okay. Minus 3 plus 4, 1, 0, 0, and 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Okay. The resultant matrix of these two matrices after multiplication is a identity matrix. Thus, these two matrices are multiplicative inverse of each other. Thus, given matrices are multiplicative inverse of each other. This is the answer. If A, this is matrix, B, this, D, this, then verify that AB whole multiplicative inverse is equal to B inverse times A inverse. Okay, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को प्रूव करने के लिए मैं पहले ए बी का प्रोडक्ट फाइंड करूंगा. ए बी व्हाट इज ए 4 0 0 and what is B? minus 4 minus 2 1 minus 1. Okay, 4 times minus 4 plus 0 times 1. 4 times minus 2 plus 0 times minus 1. Okay. Minus 1 times minus 4 plus 2 times 1. Minus 1 times minus 2 plus 2 times minus 1. Okay. First row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, second row, second column. Okay. Minus 16 plus 0. Minus 8 plus 0. 4 plus 2. And 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2. Minus 16. Minus 8. 6 and 0. This is the value of AB. Now we have to find the determinant of AB. Okay. AB determinant.
What is AB? This is AB. Minus 16, minus 8, 6 and 0. AD minus BC, okay. Minus 16 times 0, minus 8 times 6. 0 plus 48 is equal to 48, which is not equal to 0. Now we have to find adjoint of AB. Okay, this is AB. प्लेस चेंज करेंगे, साइन चेंज करेंगे. 0 माइनस 16 प्लेस चेंज हो गई. अब इनका साइन चेंज करेंगे. ये प्लस का हो जाएगा, ये माइनस का हो जाएगा. 6. ओके, नाउ वी फाइंड AB इनवर्स. नाउ AB inverse. Adjoint of AB over AB determined. What is the value of adjoint? This is the adjoint AB. Okay, 0, 8, minus 6 and minus 16 over AB. This is the value of 48. 0 times 48, 8 times 48, minus 6 times 48, minus 16 times 48. This will be equal to 0, 1 times 6, minus 1 times 8, and 1 times. Okay, this is the value of AB inverse या multiplicative inverse of AB. Let's write it on the board for checking purpose. 0, 1 by 6, minus 1 by 8, and minus 1 by 3. Okay, now we have to find B inverse and A inverse. Okay. Now we solve right hand side, which is B inverse times A inverse. What is the B? B is minus 4, minus 2, 1 and minus 1. Okay, first we find determinant of B. Minus 4, minus 2, 1, minus 1. Okay. Minus 4 times minus 1, minus 2 times 1. Okay. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Now we find adjoint B. This is B. Place change, sign change. Okay. Diagonal value की place change करेंगे, minus 1, the minus 4, और other की साइन चेंज करेंगे, अदर एंट्रीज का minus 1. Okay, now we find B inverse. Now B inverse, what is the formula? Adjoint B over B determinant. What is the value of adjoint B? This is adjoint B. Okay, minus 1, 2, minus 1, minus 4, 1 by 6. Okay, it will be minus 1 by 6, 2 by 6, minus 1 by 6, and minus 1 by 4 by minus 4 by 6. Okay, 1 by 6. After simplification, 1 by 3, minus 1 by 6, and 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. After simplification, this is the B inverse. Now we have to find A inverse. Okay, what is the A? A is here. The value of A is 4 minus 1. Okay, what is the determinant of A? 4 0 minus 1 and 2. 4 times 2 minus 0 times minus 1 will become 8 sorry, minus 1. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8, which is not equal to 0. Okay. What is the adjoint A? Place change, sign change. Okay. 2 4 0 and plus. Okay. Now we want to find B A the inverse. Now we want to find A inverse. Formula is adjoint A over A determinant. What is the value of adjoint A? This is 2 0 1 4 and this is 1 by 8 determinant. 2 by 8 0 by 8 1 by 8 and 4 by 8. After simplification it will be 1 by 4 0 1 by 8 and 1 by 2. This is the value of A determinant. Sorry, A inverse. Now we have to multiply these both. I can try here. B inverse times A inverse. What is the value of B inverse? B inverse minus 1 by 6, 1 by 3, minus 1 by 6 and minus 2 by 3. Multiplied by A inverse, this is A inverse. 1 by 4, 1 by 4 0, 1 by 8 and 1 by 2. No. Row by column. Minus 1 by 6 multiplied by 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 8. Okay. First row and second column. Minus 1 by 6 multiplied by 0 plus 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 2. Okay. Minus 1 by 6 multiplied by 1 by 4 plus minus 2 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 8. Okay. Minus 1 by 6 multiplied by 0 plus minus 2 by 3 and multiplied by 1 by 2. Okay. Minus 1 by 24 plus 1 by 24. Okay. 0 plus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 24. This will be cancelled. 4 minus 1 by 12. This will be cancelled. Okay. 3 4 times 12. 0 plus 1 by 6. Okay, sorry. This calculation is going wrong. This or this cancel. Plus minus minus 1 by 2. Okay. 2 is cancelled with 2 and plus minus minus 1 by 3. Okay. This will become 0, 1 by 6 and taking the LCM of it will be 24. Minus 1 minus 2 and minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0, 1 by 6 minus 3 by 24 minus 3 by 24 and minus 1 by 3. Okay. After simplification, it will be 0, 1 by 6, 3 8 times, minus 1 by 8 and minus 1 by 3. Okay. This is the value of B inverse times A inverse. Now compare it with this left hand side. Okay. 0, 0, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, minus 1 by 8, minus 1 by 8 and minus 1 by 3 and 3. Thus, AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse times B inverse. Proved.